Hello students, this is Pradeep sir, and today I am going to discuss about percentage. So I will give you a little bit concept about percentage. So listen to me carefully, okay? So first I will give you the definition of percentage. Definition of percentage will be, first I am writing here percentage, okay? Definition of percentage will be, I can say that it is a kind of fraction with denominator 100. Okay, that is, it is a kind of fraction with denominator 100. So just for example, I can say you that 7 by 100. So if I write here 7 by 100, that means it is a fraction with denominator 100. So whatever is there in the numerator, that is 7 is there in the numerator, so we will say that it is 7%. Okay, similarly, suppose here 85 by 100 given, so we will say it, since denominator is equal to 100, so we will say it that it is 85%. Like this we will define that it is percentage. Okay, so now my question is that if it is if denominator is equal to 100, then only it is percent. So if I am writing here one question, then it will be better for you that convert 7 by 50 and 85 by 20 as percentage. Okay, you have to convert this as percentage. So how you will convert it, that is only the thing I want to see, that how will you convert it. Now see that if denominator, I said that it is a kind of fraction with denominator 100. So if the denominator is 100, then we can say that it is a fraction. But in case of 7 by 50, just you see, in case of 7 by 50, 50 is not 100, means it is 50 given, it is not 100. So if you want to convert this into percentage, that time your target is to be change this denominator into 100. So how can you convert this denominator into 100? So it will be, if I multiply this by 2, okay, so 50 into 2, so then obviously you will get this denominator 100. But you see that if you multiply the denominator for by 2, so this numerator should also be multiplied by 2, so it will be 14 by 100. Then we can say that it is 14%, like this. Okay, and one more I have written here, that is 85 by 20. So if it is 85 by 20 and if you have to convert this into percent, then how will you convert it? Very simple, you have to multiply this denominator by 5. So you have to multiply the numerator is also by 5, then it will be 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 8s are 40, 242 by 100, then it will be 425%, right? So in this way you have to convert this into 100 and you will convert into percentage. Fine. So now I will give you another question, then just to test your knowledge that you can or not. So I'm giving you this question, that convert the following into percentage. Okay, now number 1, this is 3 by 4. Number 2, that is 5 by 10. number 3, that is 1 whole 2 by 25. And one more question I want to give. This one is, suppose, 3 by 8. Okay, so these 4 questions you have to convert into percentage. So how will you convert? Same process I told you. This process you can apply, that is 3 by 4. Now your target is to convert this denominator into 100. So how? 4 and 3. So you have to multiply this denominator by 25, then it will become 100. Okay, but if you multiply denominator, then you must have to multiply numerator also. So this is 23 into 25, so 75. Then your answer will be 75%. Yes, I hope you understood, everybody. So now I'm going to write here question number 2, that is 5 by 10. You have to convert this into percentage. How? Same process. Multiply this denominator by 10. So if you multiply this denominator by 10, then it is 100. So in the numerator you are getting 5 10 is 50. So answer is equal to 50%. Okay. Now you see in question number 3, I have given here mixed number. Is it no mixed up number? Then how will you convert this into percentage? I'm showing you. This one will be 1 whole 2 by 25. So this one will be 25 27. So 27 by 25. Fine. Now if 27 by 25, then how will you convert this 20 25? How will you convert this 25 into 100? Into 4 into 4, right? Then in the denominator you are getting, and in the numerator, what is this? 7 4 is 28, carry 2, 4 2 is 8 to 10, that is 108. So very simply we can say that 108%. Fine. Now I want to go to question number 4, that is, it is given here 3 by 8. Now students, you see it carefully, that if it is 3 by 8, so in question number 1 2 3, we can easily convert this denominator into 100, right? 4 into 25 is equal to 100, 10 into 10 is equal to 100, 25 into 4 into 100, it is okay. But if you have to convert this 8 to 100, you can, but it is little bit problematic. Okay, if it is 3 by 8, if you want to convert this into 100, it can be converted easily. But if this type of question given that you have to think something, so that time I am saying you easily you can do this one, that 3 by 8, then just you multiply it by 100 and give here percentage symbol. Okay, one more time I'm saying, if you have to convert any that fraction or any number into percentage, no need to go through this method, this above whatever I have written, no need to go through this method. It is okay, it is correct, but little bit lengthy. Directly you can do this one, that 3 by 8, just you multiply by 100, then it will become percentage. Then you do the simplification here, 4 to the 8, and it is 4 25 ja 100. Then we are getting here 75 by, I hope that all of you understood. Now 75 by 2, it is, now you can convert this into that mixed number also. Okay, so actually it will become here 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, sorry, 2 3 ja 6 it is, yes, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, that is this one. Okay, so like this you can do it. you can convert into percentage, that is 37 whole 1 by 2%. Okay, so this is one new rule I have shown you. So you can apply this rule by another question. I'm giving one more question. So convert the following into percentage. Okay, and number one, it is suppose 1 whole 2 by 3. Okay, number two, suppose here 4. Okay, and number 3 here it is given that 7 by 9. These questions is given to you and you have to convert into percentage. Okay, so I have shown you this method now only, so you have to apply this method. Number one, I'm showing you 1 whole 2 by 3 is equal to 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5. Actually it is 5 by 3. Now if you want to convert, okay, if you want to convert this into 100, sorry, percentage, then what to do here? 5 by 3 into 100%, that is equal to 500 by 3%, right? So if you want to convert this into mixed number, it is okay, otherwise up to this much only you will get, means your answer will be correct. Okay, now number 2, it is given 4. Okay, you have to convert into percentage. You see, it is a whole number. I said that rule will be applicable for every number. So if it is 4, then you can convert into percentage, that is 4 into 100%, that is equal to 400%. And number 3, it is 7 by 9 given easily. I told you this method, 7 by 9 into 100%, that is equal to 700 by 9%. Okay, then you convert into mixed number, no problem. Okay, but this if this cancellation will be possible, no, then you have to cancel this 9 and 100, like this, the numerator denominator you will cancel and you will find a simplest form, but here cancellation is not possible. That's why this is only the answer. Okay, so students, today up to this much only, and I'm saying to all of you whoever watching my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and like and share with your friends. Okay, bye.